So previously we've learned the 6 basic trigonometric ratios. Now in this video, we're going to learn the values of these trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. So what are these angles? 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So we're going to learn the values of these 6 trigonometric ratios for these 5 angles. Now you don't have to memorize all the values. You can easily derive it. Let me show you how. All you have to remember is the value of sine for these angles. I repeat, all you have to remember is the value of sine for these angles. So see, sine of 0 degrees is 0. Sine of 30 degrees is half. Sine of 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Sine of 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. And sine of 90 degrees is 1. These are the only 5 values you have to remember. I repeat once again, you just have to remember these values of sine. Now let me show you how to get the other values. Whatever are the values of sine, to get the values of cos, just write them in reverse order. What I mean is, write these values in reverse order. So first value over here is last value here, 1. Second value, root 3 by 2. Third value, 1 by root 2. Then half. And then finally 0. I repeat, if you see the values of cos are just the reverse of sine. Sine is 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Cos is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half and 0. Is this clear? Next, what is tan? Recall I told you tan is sine by cos. So tan is sine divided by cos. So 0 divided by 1, 0. Then half divided by root 3 by 2. So we have half divided by root 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, so 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by half. So root 3 by 2 divided by half. Right, if you're comfortable cancelling, do it over here. Else, this is nothing but root 3 by 2 into reciprocal of this 2 by 1. So root 3. Then finally 1 divided by 0. Now we know we cannot divide by 0. So this over here is undefined. So I'll say 1 by 0. This over here is undefined or not defined. I repeat, we cannot divide by 0. So what is tan? Tan is nothing but sine divided by cos. 0 divided by 1, 0. Half divided by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by half, root 3. 1 divided by 0. We cannot divide by 0, so undefined. Is this clear? Next comes Kozak. Now what is Kozak? It is reciprocal of sine. So Kozak is 1 upon whatever is the value of sine. So what is Kozak 0? It is 1 by sine 0. So what is 1 by 0? I repeat, Kozak is 1 by sine. So 1 upon whatever is the value of sine. So 1 by 0, undefined. So right over here, undefined or not defined. So this over here is undefined. Next, Kozak of 30 degrees is 1 by sine 30 degree. So 1 upon, what is sine 30 degree? Half. So 1 divided by half, that is 2. Next, Kozak 45, 1 upon sine 45. So 1 upon, what is sine 45? 1 by root 2. So this will become root 2 by 1. So this over here is root 2. Then Kozak 60 degrees, 1 upon sine 60 degree. Just take the reciprocal. So reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1, that is 1. So whenever you want the value of Kozak, just take the reciprocal of the sine value. So 1 by 0, undefined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, root 2. Reciprocal of this, reciprocal of 1, 1. So Kozak is reciprocal of sine. Similarly, what is sec? Reciprocal of cos. So we'll take reciprocal of cos, reciprocal of 1, 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2. Reciprocal of 0. Reciprocal of 0 means 1 divided by 0, that is undefined. So right over here, undefined. Is this clear? Finally, we come to cot. What is cot? Reciprocal of tan. So 1 by 10. 1 divided by 0, undefined. So cot 0, so 1 by 0, that is undefined. Next, reciprocal of 1 by root 3, root 3. Reciprocal of 1, 1. Reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3. Now 1 upon undefined. So see, this is basically undefined. You can take it as infinity. So 1 upon infinity, we'll take this value as 0. Is this clear? So this is how you get all the values. So I repeat once again, all you have to remember is the value of sine. Once you know the value of sine, you can easily get the other. So let's do a recap. First of all, write the values of sine. What is cos? Same values in reverse order. First this, then this, then this, and so on. What is tan? Sine by cos. 0 by 1, 0. This divided by this, 1 by root 3. This divided by this, 1. This divided by this, root 3. 1 divided by 0, undefined. Then what is cosec? Reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of 0, so 1 by 0, undefined. Reciprocal of half, 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1, 1. Similarly, what is sec? Reciprocal of cos, so 1 by 1, 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, root 2. Reciprocal of half, 2. Reciprocal of 0, 1 divided by 0, undefined. What is cot? Reciprocal of tan, 1 divided by 0, undefined. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3, root 3. Reciprocal of 1, 1. Reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of undefined, basically infinity, it is 0. Is this clear? So these are the values which you have to remember. So in general, right, whenever we have to evaluate any trigonometric expression involving these values, convert everything to sine and cos, as we shall see. I repeat, whenever you have a trigonometric expression to evaluate, we'll see in the upcoming examples, just convert everything to sine and cos. Remember the value of sine, cos is just the reverse of this. Mention this over there and easily get your answer. So please ensure you remember this table. All you have to remember is the first row of sine. Once you know sine, cos reverse, tan, this divided by this, cosec, reciprocal of sine, sec, reciprocal of cos, cot is reciprocal of tan, right? So these are trigonometric ratios of some specific angles.